Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about BenQ's new 4K LCD displays. So friend, BenQ unveiled its 27-inch 4K LCD displays from the AQCOLOR series PD2706U and PD2706UA. Comes on market 13th October. Estimated market price is approximately 680 and 720 USD dollar. And friend, they support a white color gamut with display P3, DCI P3 at 99%, sRGB and recognition 709 coverage at 99%, display up to 1.07 billion colors. Importantly, each unit undergoes factory calibration, ensuring accurate color representation for photo editing, printed material production, and video editing. And the LCD panel is of the IPS type with a brightness level of 350 cadmium per meter square. The contrast ratio stands at 1200 gem burn, response speed of 5 milliseconds, horizontal frequency ranging from 27 to 135 kHz, vertical frequency from 26 to 76 Hz. Both models offer an expansive viewing angle of 178 degrees, both horizontally and vertically. Connectivity options include HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, USB Type-C port, and several USB 3.x port. And friend, the 2706U model is equipped with standard stand, offers adjustable features. And friend, other hand, the PD2706UA is fitted with a display arm allowing for tilt and swivel range. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.